If you stop wanting to be seen naked, even by your own partner, if you avoid mirrors, skip baths, or only feel okay being intimate in the dark because how much your body has changed in perimenopause or beyond, if you've been eating clean, working out, saying no to sugar, and your belly still won't budge, I want you to know this video is for you and you're not broken. This isn't about willpower. It's about biology, inflammation, and hormone shifts that no one has taught us how to navigate. And what you're about to learn may surprise you, especially if you've been doing all the right things. I'm Michelle Black, a registered nurse, nutritionist, and I work with women in perimenopause and beyond to help them finally lose the weight, reset their hormones, and feel good in their skin again, naturally. If that's something you've been struggling with, I've created a free guide that walks you through exactly where to start. Just comment, give me the guide, and we'll send you the guide. Let's start with what most people miss entirely. Your gut and your brain are in constant communication. When your gut is inflamed, your nervous system stays stuck in stress mode, which raises cortisol and locks in belly fat. Your gut also helps clear out hormones, including estrogen. If it's sluggish or out of balance, hormones recycle instead of detoxing, and that shows up as bloating, cravings, or stubborn belly fat. And your liver, that's your detox hub. If it's overwhelmed with processed foods, toxins, or stress, fat loss slows down, no matter how clean you're eating. I had a client who was doing green smoothies every morning when she came to me and intermittent fasting because she read it was good for her hormones, but her belly kept growing. Once we focused on gut support and meal timing, her body finally responded. We'll talk about exactly how that worked in a minute. One of the most common mistakes I see is skipping breakfast, or worse, replacing it with just coffee. Here's what happens. Your cortisol naturally spikes within 60 to 90 minutes of waking. If you don't eat, your body perceives more stress, which sends cortisol even higher and blood sugar crashes. Even if you add collagen to your coffee, it's not enough. Collagen is not a complete protein. It won't stabilize your blood sugar and it won't give your metabolism the signal that you're nourished. Real food does that. And if you're wondering what that actually looks like, stick around. In a minute, I'll share the simple morning routine of one of my clients used to drop 2 inches off her waist without tracking perfectly. Let's talk about what real food actually means. Protein bars, high protein chips, and even Pop-Tarts with proteins are still highly processed. These may hit a macro target, but they confuse your hormones, increase gut inflammation, and don't regulate your appetite long term. Your body is smarter than marketing. What it needs is whole, nutrient-dense meals. Things like eggs, veggies, oats, turkey sausage, beans, greens, real proteins, and fiber. That's what resets leptin, insulin, and hunger signals, not packaged convenience. I once had a client who swapped her protein bar habit for real breakfast bowls. And within 2 weeks, she had more energy, fewer sugar cravings, and her pants fit better. We'll go into exactly what she ate in a future video. But for now, just know that switching to real balanced meals made a major difference. Let me ask you something, and be honest. Have you ever eaten clean all day, skipped meals to be good, and still ended the night binging or emotionally eating? Yes, that's not a willpower problem. That's your hormones trying for balance. Comment yes if that's been your pattern down below. You're not alone, but I would love to help support you down in the comments. Not every woman can or wants to use hormone replacement therapy. Whether it's breast cancer, clotting risk, or just personal choice, the good news is you can still shift your hormones naturally. It starts with stabilizing your blood sugar, lowering inflammation, supporting your adrenal function, and feeding your gut. Magnesium, B vitamins, omega-3s, adaptogens like Cisandra all support hormonal balance when used strategically. But none of that matters if you're skipping meals or eating like your 30-year-old self. I'll break down the 3 key nutrients most women in menopause are missing in this next video. But first, let's talk about the exact next step If this has resonated and you're thinking, this is exactly where I've been stuck, I just didn't know what to do about it, I created a free guide. It breaks all of this down and shows you how to start reversing the weight gain naturally, even without hormone replacement therapy. Just comment down below, give me the guide, and we'll send you the guide. And if you're ready for more, watch this next playlist. It's packed with real strategies to lose belly fat, balance your hormones, and finally feel like yourself again. If this was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you get more notifications each week to help you in perimenopause and beyond.